Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we are going to study a new topic and a new lesson. The name of the lesson is determinants. Okay, let's see this. I brought some definition. So let's see. If f is a function from m to k defined by f of a equal to k, small k, where a belongs to m and k belongs to capital K, then f of a is called as the determinant of a and is denoted by, it is written in shortcut as determinant of a, det of a or modulus of a, or it is written by triangle. Now what is m here, children? This is a function. M is nothing but, children, here it is, m is the set of matrices. What is k? K is nothing but the set of real numbers. K is the set of real numbers. So what is happening here, children? All those functions which are defining matrices, or all those functions which are mapping matrices to some real number, k is the set of real number, then that value f of a is equal to that real number is called as the determinant of a. Alright, let us understand. Let's take a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, if I take, because you know that the definition is from matrices to a real number. So let us understand how do we define for different matrices. If you look for this matrix, children, you have 2 cross 2 matrix. Here you have A equal to A, B, C, D are the entries. Then in this matrix, the determinant of A is defined as, you put the modulus sign. Okay, it's not modulus, you put the absolute value sign. Then what is the value of determinant is, you multiply A into D minus B into C. That will be your value for determinant of A for 2 cross 2 matrix. It's a ready-made formula, children. You have to by heart it. Okay, so what will happen? A is a real number, D is a real number, B is a real number, C is a real number. So subtraction of real numbers will give you real number. That's why you have said here the final answer K is also a real number, and that value is called as, K is called as your determinant of A. Now for 3 cross 3 matrix also we have a ready-made formula. You know how the 3 cross 3 matrix is written as? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. That means first row, first column, second row, first column, second column, third column. Third row, first column, second column, third column. Now just carefully look at the formula. Formula is, children, look here. It is determinant of A times minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. A11. Take the first row. Then delete that row, that column, remaining matrix determinant you take. Now this is the determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. Yes. Then plus, you take the first row, second element. So what it is? A12. Now its position is minus 1 to the power A12. No, so it is 1 plus 2. Now delete that row, that column in which A12 is there. So what will you get? A21, A23, A31, A33. Okay, this is the ready-made formula, children. Plus, now you go for third element. So it is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3, A13. Now delete the row and column in which A13 is there. So what remains? A21, A22, A31, A32. Have you understood, children? Now this you can do for any, now I have done this for row 1. You can also do it for row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3. Any one you can do. But I don't want you to get confused by teaching you all. You just stick to the first row. Okay, this minus 1, no, these all are determining the positions. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 1 plus 2. Odd position, even position. 1, 1, 1 plus 1. 1, 3, 1 plus 3. So you need to by heart this formula. Now if you better simplify this, you will see that minus 1 square is 1. So this will become plus, remaining as it is copied down. Now this is 1 plus 2, 3. Odd power of minus 1 will give you minus. So minus A12 times this. Plus 1 plus 3 is again even. So add it, you will get even number. So A13 times this. Okay. Now come back here. So this is the formula. Now let us solve this through an example. Very easy. So 2 cross 2 matrix. So your determinant of A is, children, nothing but A into D minus B into C. That means product of the diagonal elements minus product of the non-diagonal elements, cross multiplication. So this will be 45 minus 42, that will be equal to 3. So this is the determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. Now come this side. Look carefully, children. Now what you will be do? Determinant of A. First you are going, now by this formula you know that in the first row, first position is positive, second position is negative, third position is positive. So we will do like that. So first position is positive and the number is 7. Now delete the row, delete the column. So what remains? 3, 2, 0, 3. Second position is odd, so I'll put minus sign. Element is 1. Now delete the row, delete the column. So in which one is there? So it is 4, 2, 5, 3. Yes. Third row, third position is positive. So it is 6. No, number first row 6. Third element is 6. Now delete the row, delete the column in which 6 is there. So what remains? 4, 3, 5, 0. Now simplify this. Now this is reduced to 2 cross 2, right? So this will be 9 minus 0 minus 1 times 12 minus 10 plus 6 times 0 minus 15. So this is 7 into 9 minus 12 into 1. Sorry, 2 into 1. 12 minus 10 is 2 into 1 plus this is 6 into minus 15. Yes, simplify this. 63 minus 2 plus 90. 15, 6 and 90. So this is 61 plus 90 is 151. Did you understand, children? Write the first element is position positive. Delete the row, delete that column. So it becomes 2 cross 2. Second position is minus. Write that element. Delete the row and delete the column in which that element is there. That you have. Third one is write the third position positive. So 6, that number you write here. Then delete the row, delete the column in which that number is and expand using the 2 cross 2 formula. Okay, so this is what is the meaning of determinants and how to find the determinant of a 2 cross 2 and a 3 cross 3 matrix. This year you have to study till 3 cross 3. Okay, thank you, children.